Okay, here's the far north end of Jewell Brook, which is what runs behind my house. And I am on a bridge on Main Street. It's about 5 feet below the bridge here, but the catch is over here. There's a new water line. As you can see, right up to the top of the road, that's the Andover Street, that's my street. Good thing is we live about, well, we probably live about 300 feet above this. But like I said, this runs behind my house, and we got about a 12-foot berm. It shouldn't be breaching it. There's a pole, that's a village electric. If that goes, that won't affect us in my house, but that'll affect a lot of people around here. So. Okay, how's Shaw's doing? Well, I think the produce is floating inside. That kind of sucks. As a general reference, there's the I can't zoom in far enough on this camera to the railings, but the water's about 6 inches below the railings. You see the doors. Down here we got the bank, the old video shop, and the water comes all the way up to here. And from what I was just told by Officer Jeff Billings, it was higher earlier. So the river decided to come this way.